The newest Tesla Model 3, the so-called Highland variant, is reaching for higher lands, finally garnering a capital-P performance version, reviving the sportier trim level of the same name offered on the pre-refresh Model 3 electric sedan. Not only does this Model 3 performance inherit the same styling and refinement upgrades as the rest of the 3 lineup did this year, Tesla claims it is the most powerful Model 3 ever. That's because the Tesla Model 3 performance has 510 horsepower and is claimed to rip from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. The claimed top speed? 163 miles per hour. With 510 horsepower and 547 lb-ft of torque from its dual electric motors, the updated Tesla Model 3 performance should rapidly deliver smiles to people's faces. According to Tesla, these figures equate to 22% more continuous power, 32% more peak power, and 16% more peak torque than the previous Model 3 performance could muster. To handle those numbers, Tesla engineers installed new electronically adaptive dampers capable of stiffening up for solid cornering and stability, or relaxing for more comfortable daily driving. The old Model 3 performance suffered the same stiff ride as other, less powerful Model 3s. The new Highland variant has iced most of that behavior, with the regular single-motor rear drive and dual-motor long-range variants exhibiting far greater ride comfort and overall refinement when we tested them late last year. Those versions, however, achieve those gains through careful suspension tuning as well as new frequency-selective dampers, passive shocks with valving that responds differently to higher and lower speed motions, making the Performance's adaptive units unique in the Model 3 family. Tesla adds that the Performance's chassis has improved stiffness and lowered its rolling resistance, making it more fun to drive and agile on twisty roads. Oh, and the new adaptive damping system is controlled via in-house software, meaning it can improve or change with over-the-air OTA updates in the future, potentially making the 3 Performance better to drive on the track and the street down the line. Track Mode V3, an enhanced system that integrates motor and suspension controls, powertrain cooling, and the vehicle's dynamics controller should make it more predictable and consistent on the track, according to Tesla. Drivers will be able to calibrate certain settings to their liking for track driving, like the stability control, reg and braking, and handling balance. This new system should make the Model 3 Performance more fun for everyone, and with different types of customizations, every driver can adapt to the car easier. With Pirelli P0 tires on every corner, the Model 3 Performance should have tons of grip despite its hard acceleration, and its new 20-inch aluminum wheels are said to be lightweight. Larger brake rotors, calipers, and brake pads should deliver more stopping power and a more consistent feel at all speeds. Better aero, better range. Like the regular Model 3 Highland, the latest Model 3 Performance gets new front and rear fascias that deliver better aerodynamics. Additionally, the carbon fiber spoiler atop the Model 3 Performance's trunk lid helps reduce drag. Tesla says all of this results in 5% less drag, a 36% lift reduction, and a 55% improvement in front-to-rear lift balance compared to the previous Model 3 Performance. Sports seats and carbon fiber interior. The Model 3 Performance gets the Highland's new interior cabin, including an encompassing ambient lighting cabin, a screen for rear seat passengers, and a quieter interior. Heated and ventilated sport bucket seats and carbon fiber trim on the dashboard, instead of wood, are exclusive to the Performance.